My name is Willie Davis. I'm a Black American living here in the Philippines. Puso Filipino.
Makipamaniliwaban kanu king pamanyalita at kulep. One of the Filipinos siya naman kanu, i Davis, ay yung kilalanan tamo ngayon abak. Maya bayabak?
Maya kaabag.
So, okay, ikaw mo na pala yung Filipino hospitality niya. Okay.
Kini Ciudad San Fernando, apulo ng banwang manungnangan ing 59 anyos ay Willie Davis. Dating miyembro ni Armed Forces of USA, Iwili, at Karine Akilala, in Filipinang Iaura, at in karelang pamiyabe, migbungang at anak.
Hindi sa katulad ng mga iba na, hey, ba't ganyan yung culture nyo? Kung ano yung culture natin, inadapt niya talaga.
You've been here for 10 years and I guess you have your favorite food.
Yes, I do.
So what's your favorite food?
Chicken adobo. Wow. I would like to prepare it for you.
Wow, really?
Yes.
First step.
Alright, we're going to start with our oil. Fry that. Yes. Yeah, we'll start with my oil. Okay. Alright, Richie, I think this may be ready now.
Okay, let's check. Delicious. Maybe it's looks delicious. And I guess it tastes
great, yes. I think now we're ready to serve it. So let's go over to the table. Alright, thank you. Alright, please.
Adobo, what else do you have?
Okay, we're going to have, we'll have some seafood. We'll have shrimp. And
wow, someone baboy. Bye-bye sa blaya. Dapat pagkatya tayo adobo ng Davis ng nanuya, lasa. Okay, pasado. Pinoy?
Kaya mas akilala ko pa din pamilya ng Davis, kalupa na rin Pilipino. Paulaganda in pamiyabe ng mipapamilya.
in America is, I give you a gift, you give me a gift. I do something for you, you do something for me. Here in the Philippines, it's more loving. That they're just giving people, and it's different.
Ikwala na mo rin kanong kaluguran in bansa, darake na ka rin Pilipinong mas mangailangan ing sawo. At kayang kabaluan, gustong ng pera.
It's just a tremendous feeling. You can't explain it. And I'm able to teach my kids something also. So we do it around Christmas time. And so instead of just giving gifts to each other, I take my kids, we prepare food for the homeless and the indigent kids.
I like the fact na matulungan siya sa kapwa natin, kapamilya, yung mga unfortunate families.
Hindi mo nag-dry-dry na naman ang intindihan, pero pipilit na parang intindihan nila yung tao na mas simpleng conversation mo ay nalaakasabi mo sa lesson. Hanggang yun na talaga intindihan. Sa sopa nila pa din.
Do you have Filipino blood already?
I think so.
Do you think how many percent?
Probably about at least 50%.
Oh, 50-50.
Yes, at least 50%.
At sunapin king puso ng Davis ing pangang Pilipino. Eman bayit keti o kalipi, akit pamurin karengkeyang dapat ing tatak ning tune Pilipino.
But for me, this is home now.